Hey tech enthusiasts, today's buzzing news surrounds none other than Apple, the tech titan with a global fan base. In an exciting development, Apple is making strategic moves to deepen its roots in India. They have announced opening 4 sparkling new retail stores across the country. Talk about rolling out the red carpet for tech-savvy Indians. The new stores are set to pop up in prime locations: Bengaluru, Pune, Delhi National Capital Region, and Mumbai. These additions come after Apple launched its first 2 stores in New Delhi and Mumbai in April 2023. Apparently, the founders' hunch to dive into India's vibrant market was a jackpot move. These 2 locations are already doing wonders in boosting Apple's sales figures, hence the decision to ramp things up with more storefronts. Apple's Senior Vice President of Retail, Deirdre O'Brien, shared her enthusiasm, highlighting the creativity and passion of Indian customers as their driving motivation for expansion. Well, Deirdre, as they say in India, Aapka Swagat Hai. As exciting as new stores are, that's not all Apple is launching in India. Production of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models has hit full swing. The manufacturing is in collaboration with Apple's partners, Foxconn and Pegatron, marking India's rising significance in Apple's global strategy. Soon, the made in India iPhone 16s will be gracing not just local hands, but will also be exported to select countries around the globe. Stat alert, Apple is gearing up to ship between 12 to 12.5 million iPhones in India in 2024. This translates to a whopping 25% increase over 2023. A goal of manufacturing a quarter of all its iPhones in the country over the next few years is afoot too. That's a bold leap from the current 14%. What does this mean for you? Well, it could translate into more competitive pricing, faster availability, and a bolstered local economy. This move is yet another testament to India being a hotbed for tech innovation and consumption. Apple's focus here signifies not only its intent to tap into a burgeoning market, but also to steer away from overdependence on other manufacturing hubs, diversifying their supply chain game like a pro chess player. The message is clear. Apple means business in India, both from a retail and manufacturing standpoint. This strategy seems as clear as crystal. With such expansions, it might soon be time for Jimmy Tapestry Expert to change to Jimmy iPhone Skiller, as every third person you meet could be proudly sporting made in India Apple gear. And there you have it, folks. Apple is expanding its empire in India, sparking tech dreams and manufacturing marvels all in a day's work. Keep an eye on this space. Who knows what Apple may pull out of its techie hat next? Stay curious. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.